I found this on eBay for around about 60 quid. Hopefully this is the solution to all the door locking problems. Got the remote, and if I try and lock, oh, how about that? That sounds much healthier. So that's locking, and then it unlocks itself again because the door's not closed. So hopefully I'll put this back in place, and when the door closes it will stay closed, and that horrible nasty unlock rattling noise has gone. What I need to do now is get this back into here. The job is apparently a little bit easier if you undo this nut, and then that allows the window runner to move around a little bit and supposedly will give me a bit more access. These are the rods from the exterior door lock and handle. I thought I'd do the interior door release first. That actually ended up being removed again and done later. The next one to put in, I think, will be the lock button. Yeah, that happened quite a few times. It's awkward in there. That's the rod from the lock button in place. This is the exterior lock link rod. That took 4 or 5 attempts and was somewhat awkward, but got there in the end. This one is the one that comes from the exterior lock, and this is the one that comes from the exterior handle. I put the interior door release cable back and finally put the exterior handle rod into place. And that's definitely the easiest of the 4. Right, so in theory now I should be able to operate the handle. There we go, so that should open the door. Just the interior handle. That's looking promising. Right, I've plugged back in the connectors and I'm going to activate the central locking now, and let's see what it does. Looking promising. Right, how about that? Absolutely perfect.